Hi everyone.
Welcome again. In the last few videos we have learned the concepts of branching and then we learned how to sync our code with remote repository using git fetch, pull and push. In this video we'll talk about pull requests. A pull request is a kind of a proposal you prepare. So by proposal I mean that the code changes needed for a fix or a feature and you want to let other collaborators or interested parties know about the changes you have pushed on a branch on GitHub. So they can either approve it or reject it or may suggest some changes, and if they approve it, these can be merged to master branch. So to try it out, we have a test repository and we see a couple of files here, and I am adding a new file here. So let's say we name it as abc.txt and then we add some content and we can save it. Now we can run git branch to see the active branch, so which is master, and there are no other branches. And if we do git status, we see these changes. Now I add a new branch using git checkout -b and then the branch name. So this is another way to create a branch. Basically it is mix of two commands. You can also use git branch and then branch name to create the new branch, and then later you can use git checkout to switch to that branch. But if that branch is not existing already, so what you can do is you can directly use git checkout -b and then branch name. So it will create the branch and it will switch to that branch in one statement. So we see that we can now push the branch to remote. So to push it, we use git push -u origin and then the branch name. Okay, till here we have covered already in the last few videos. Now on GitHub, we can see a notification that says we pushed something recently and we have option to create a pull request. If we go to branches, we can see our branches here. And if we go to pull requests, here also we can see the option to open the pull request. So we click on this button and we create a pull request. Now it is asking for a name. So we give a proper name to this pull request and we add the description. Generally we specify all the details for the fix or the feature. We give the verification status, whether we have verified or not, how we have verified. We provide the screenshots before asking others for approval. We can tag people using @ and then their GitHub username. On right panel we see option to add reviewers, assignee, label, and then we can click on this create button. You see here it runs some default checks. We can link our CI/CD pipeline here and lot of other tests like security checks, conditions, whether we have a particular count of reviews, etc. And that can enable or disable this merge button. On top we see we are on conversation. We can go to commit to see the commit details, checks and file changed. So here we see all the changes done when compared with master. So a reviewer can see the changes proposed in this PR and decide to approve, reject and suggest some changes. So once everything looks good, we can merge and then the changes will appear on master. So we can check on master. This abc.txt was not there earlier. Now it is there. So that is all about pull request. Now we do not need this branch anymore. In the next video, we'll see how to remove this branch from local and remote. So goodbye till then.